Hi, this is Kentucky Governor Matt Bevin. I want to give you a quick update on something. Today there was a ruling on behalf of our administration and the Commonwealth of Kentucky and the foster kids of Kentucky. A federal judge ruled in our favor, and what it was that was being contested is a secret deal that was worked out after I was elected, 2 weeks after I was elected, but before I was sworn in. Then Governor Beshear worked out a secret deal with the ACLU and a group called Americans United for the Separation of Church and State, in which the governor of Kentucky, the then governor, gave authority to those two organizations to track the religious preferences and any religious activities of foster children in our private care providers in Kentucky. Unbelievable, an incredible intrusion of people's rights, of people's privacy, and intended to allow the ACLU and this other group to scrub out anybody's exposure to anything religious if they are in government care. That was the ultimate intent of this. So when I was sworn in, I said, this is nonsense. We don't have the ability to be bound by outside groups dictating what does or doesn't happen, the kind of monitoring that goes on of our foster kids. And of course, this was challenged in court because that's what liberals do. They run to the courts. But I'm grateful for the fact that we had a judge that recognized that this essentially, he used the word effectively emasculated clear law, that this was a direct violation of case law and the intent of law here in Kentucky, that in Kentucky, we have the right as a state to decide who does or doesn't have intrusive powers over our foster children, among other things. This is a win for the sovereignty of states, for the 10th Amendment, and for the rule of law. We are Kentucky.